Once you have installed LoadVUE Pro, SensorVUE or ControlVUE, it's time to set up the latency timer. Launch the Device Manager utility. Connect your USB load cell or USB load cell interface to the PC or tablet. Select the COM port for your device. Right-click on the COM port and select Properties. Click on Advanced Properties and set the latency timer to 1 millisecond. Click OK and you are all set. Launch and use your program. First, pair your device by selecting 0 in the menu bar. Select 0 all and then close. Press Start in the menu bar to view the input from your device.